Have you ever thought about how truly incredible your body is? We often talk about being weak, or fragile, or broken. We get sick, we get injured, and we think something has gone wrong. But what if I told you that your body is not weak? It's a relentless, powerful, self-healing machine. It's working for you, every single second of every single day. Right now, as you're watching this, your body is performing millions of tiny miracles. Every breath you take delivers life-giving oxygen to trillions of cells. Every beat of your heart pumps nutrient-rich blood to every corner of your being. Deep within your DNA, a constant process of repair and regeneration is happening. Old cells are being replaced with new ones. Tiny tears in your muscles are being mended. Your immune system is silently identifying and neutralizing threats. Your body is in a perpetual state of healing, striving for balance, working to keep you alive and thriving. It doesn't ask for applause, it just does its job. This isn't some mystical concept. It's fundamental biology. The default state of your body is health. So, if our bodies are so brilliant at healing, why do so many of us feel unwell? Why are chronic fatigue, persistent pain, and constant illness so common? The problem isn't your body's design. The problem is that we are constantly interrupting its work. We are throwing wrenches into this beautifully orchestrated system. Modern life, for all its conveniences, has introduced a host of habits that sabotage our natural healing processes. Let's talk about one of the biggest culprits: sleep deprivation. We live in a culture that glorifies hustle and sees sleep as a luxury, not a necessity. We stay up late scrolling on our phones, binge-watching shows, or trying to cram in a few more hours of work. But sleep is not wasted time. It's the prime time for your body's repair crew. When you sleep, your brain flushes out metabolic waste, your body releases growth hormone to repair tissues, and your immune system recharges. When you consistently cut sleep short, you're essentially telling your repair crew to go home before the job is done. The damage accumulates. Inflammation rises, and your body never gets a fair chance to fully recover. It's like trying to fix a road while traffic is still speeding down it. Then there's stress. Not the acute stress of a near miss in traffic, but the low-grade chronic stress that hums in the background of our lives. Work deadlines, financial worries, relationship conflicts. This constant state of high alert keeps your body flooded with stress hormones like cortisol. In the short term, cortisol is useful. It gives you a burst of energy to deal with a threat. But when it's always high, it becomes destructive. It suppresses your immune system, disrupts your sleep, messes with your digestion, and actually breaks down your body's tissues. You are literally telling your body to stay in fight or flight mode, diverting energy away from rest and repair. Healing cannot happen effectively when your body thinks it's constantly under attack. And of course, we have to talk about sugar and processed foods. Our bodies evolved to run on whole, natural foods, but our modern diet is saturated with sugar, refined carbohydrates, and artificial ingredients that our systems don't recognize. When you eat a high-sugar meal, your blood sugar spikes, leading to an inflammatory response throughout your body. Chronic inflammation is like a slow-burning fire that damages cells and tissues, and it's at the root of so many modern diseases. You're giving your body building materials that are faulty and unstable, and then wondering why the structure is crumbling. You're fueling the fire instead of giving your body the nutrients it needs to put it out. Finally, there's an activity. We were designed to move. Our hunter-gatherer ancestors walked, ran, climbed, and lifted every single day. Movement is essential for circulation, for lymphatic drainage, which clears out waste products, and for maintaining strong muscles and bones. Today, many of us spend our days sitting at a desk, in a car, on a couch. This sedentary lifestyle leads to stagnation. Fluids don't circulate properly. Toxins build up, muscles weaken, and our metabolism slows down. Your body's internal systems rely on physical movement to function optimally. When you're inactive, everything gets sluggish, including the healing process. When you put it all together, the lack of sleep, the chronic stress, the poor diet, the inactivity, it's no wonder our bodies are struggling. We are systematically blocking the very processes that are meant to keep us well. We're living in a way that is fundamentally at odds with our own biology. But here's the most important and empowering part of this whole conversation. Healing isn't complicated. It doesn't require some magical pill or extreme expansive protocol. Healing is about consistency. It's about removing the obstacles and giving your body the support it needs to do what it already knows how to do. It's about getting back to basics. Think of it like tending a garden. You can't force a seed to grow, but you can provide the right conditions. You can give it good soil, the right amount of water, and plenty of sunlight. If you do that consistently, the seed will sprout and flourish all on its own. Your body's the same. You don't need to force it to heal. You just need to create the right environment. When you start to consistently support your body, it responds with incredible speed and efficiency. When you start prioritizing 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, you'll notice your energy levels improve. Your mind feels sharper, and those little aches and pains begin to fade. Your body finally has the time it needs to clean house and make repairs. When you find healthy ways to manage stress, like taking a walk in nature, practicing deep breathing, meditating, or simply making time for a hobby you love, you lower those corrosive cortisol levels. Your nervous system shifts from fight or flight back to rest and repair, and your body can finally get to work on healing. When you begin to crowd out the processed junk with whole, nutrient-dense foods, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, you give your body the high-quality building blocks it needs. You reduce inflammation, and you provide the vitamins and minerals that are essential for every single cellular function, including repair. And when you incorporate regular movement into your day, even just a brisk walk, you get your blood pumping, your lymph flowing, and your muscles working. You boost your metabolism and flood your body with feel-good endorphins. The key word here is consistency. It's not about being perfect. It's not about one perfect day of eating or one great night of sleep. It's about the small choices you make, day after day, that add up over time. It's the decision to go to bed a little earlier. It's choosing the apple over the candy bar. It's taking the stairs instead of the elevator. These small, consistent actions send a powerful signal to your body. I am on your side. I am here to support you. We live in a culture that often pushes a medicine-first approach. We wait until we're broken, then we look for a pill to fix the symptom. But true health, lasting health, is not medicine. It's habit first. It's about building a lifestyle that prevents the breakdown in the first place. It's about understanding that your daily choices are the most powerful form of medicine you have. Your body is not your enemy. It is your greatest ally. It is working tirelessly for you right now. Your only job is to stop getting in its way. Start listening to its signals. Give it the rest, the nutrition, the movement, and the peace it needs to do its job. Trust in its profound, innate intelligence. Start today. Make one small, consistent change. Support your body and watch how quickly it responds. You have the power to feel better, and it starts with the very next choice you make. Thanks for watching, and if this resonated with you, be sure to subscribe for more content on how to work with your body, not against it. See you in the next video.